Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I am in my stamp pad and I want to talk to you about Sale-A-Bration. Sale-A-Bration is an amazing time of year with Stampin' Up! Because it is their biggest promotion and I love it because everything is just extra bonuses and freebies and all of that, and it's just so super exciting. So today I actually wanted to share with you the third component for earning and celebrating with Sale-A-Bration. There's as a customer, with every $50 order you get something for free. As a hostess, you get extra hostess benefits when your party reaches 250, so that's super fabulous. And number 3, joining Stampin' Up! And having so much fun. So what I wanted to share with you today is some kits that I would pick if I were to join Stampin' Up! Today. So I actually have 2 kits to share with you. One of the kits is for the avid stamper who already has some supplies or already has a craft room or already has, a few items in their collection. So this is my pick for them. And then I also have for the beginner stamper who is just getting started on my picks for that person as well. Of course, all of these are not defined. You can pick whatever you would like if you would like to join Stampin' Up! These are just something that I would pick because it's exciting and it was like, like a shopping spree sort of thing for me to do this. And hopefully this will give you some inspiration if you're on the fence or if you're trying to decide what to put in your kit. So the awesome thing is during Sale-A-Bration, you get $125 worth of product for just $99. It's always free shipping, so that is already an amazing deal. So for this kit, my actual pick is actually the Stampin' Blends markers. So I actually have them in, the stamp sets are falling off my lap. So I actually have them in a paper pumpkin box because they fit perfectly. But there they are. So there are the 12 colors and there's 2 markers each, both the light and the dark, which makes 24. And then there are 3 others. The color lifter, the bronze, and the ivory. So there's a total of 27 markers in the Stampin' Blends kit. So then since there's just a little bit left in your kit, I went with some Baker's Twine. Now this is actually Peekaboo Peach. I would probably go with something a little bit more neutral, like a black or a white or the black and white blend, just so that I could use it for more of my projects. But this is just the first one I grabbed. But Baker's Twine helps to round that out. I think it is shy by 25 cents or 50 cents, something like that. But it is making the most of that. So then for the 2 free stamp sets, so these are any stamp sets that you want. So you definitely want to go with those higher priced ones. But I really struggled with which one I decided I wanted. So the first one I picked was the Petal Palette stamp set. So that is this one here. It is the 2 images, or the 2 boxes there. It's got lots of great greetings in it as well as images, and the images are where you can actually color them in, which you can use your Stampin' Blends for. So that is super, super fabulous. Then I was actually back and forth on the second stamp set that I wanted to pick. So my favorite stamp set that I'm super loving too is the Beautiful Day stamp set. I love this one. If you have been following me at all, then you know that I love my flower stamp sets, and that butterfly is just so springy and so amazing, and I've been coloring with them a lot, and they are super, super fun. But I also felt like this Magical Day stamp set was also a super fun one because there's lots of coloring to be done in it, which is great for the Stampin' Blends. And it also is a little bit more of like maybe your younger cards. So you can get more younger cards with that one and then use the Petal Palette for maybe some of your cards for like older people, like, or maybe like your sympathy, thinking of you cards and things like that. So it just kind of keeps like a large array of images between not going all flowers and things like that. So I was really torn between those 2. So you can always pick between those 2 or pick another favorite of yours. I definitely want to hear what your favorites are in the comments below, so be sure to let me know. So then for the kit that I would pick as a newbie stamper. So this is a little bit of everything. There's a lot more items in the kit as I picked a little bit more smaller items that help sort of round out a nice little collection of supplies. So the first thing that I wanted to start with the newbie kit is the all-inclusive kit here. So this is a card kit. It is the Lots of Happy card kit, and here is the flyer for it. So you actually, you get stamps, you get inks, you get a clear block, and then you get all of the supplies as well as the instructions to put it together. Sorry about that, I totally went out of focus and I didn't want you to miss out. So I think this all-inclusive kit is great for any newbie stamper, whether you're signing up as a kit or whether you're just getting started with stamping and you're looking to find something to play with. So like I said, it comes with everything, like with your clear block and black ink and all of that stuff. So since you already have black ink, I went with some colors, and I actually went with one of the in color sets. So this is the 2017 in color set. It's your Lemon Lime Twist, Powder Pink, Tranquil Tide, Fresh Fig, and Berry Burst, which I thought were a great array of pink, green, blue, you know, that sort of thing, so that you have a little bit of everything, and you're getting 5 ink pads. So then with that, I would recommend getting the cardstock pack. So the 8.5 by 11 cardstock pack, this is actually just Lemon Lime Twist, as I didn't have a full pack of the multi-pack. But I would recommend the multi-pack so that you have a few sheets of every single color. So then, of course, if you're going to get your colors, you need to get a solid. So I would recommend Whisper White or Very Vanilla, whichever you prefer. That way you have something to stamp on, to color in, to put your greeting on, and just to sort of layer with all of your colors. So of course you're going to need some envelopes too. I don't know why we're going out of focus, so I apologize for that. But you'll need some envelopes too so that you can send out your cards that you make. And then a few other basics that I picked for the newbie is Stampin' Dimensionals. You guys all know how much I love Stampin' Dimensionals. So in order to round out the kit to a perfect 125, I went with both the regular dimensionals and the mini Stampin' Dimensionals. Also, I have the bone folder and the snail adhesive so that you can assemble your cards with an adhesive, and then of course the bone folder for that nice strong crease. And then the final item, because I love, love, love this stamp set, and I feel like I use birthday cards and make birthday cards the most, and that is this amazing stamp set. It is the Picture Perfect Birthday Stamp Set. So while this is a birthday stamp set, I find it to be super fabulous for graduations, announcements, like any sort of like special occasion. I think it is great for retirement, any of those things, because I mean, come on, cue the confetti. I wish I had confetti falling right now. But anyway, I think this is a great stamp set for all of those occasions, so it's a great one to have in your collection. So that one actually rounds out to exactly $125, and then of course you still have 2 free stamp sets that you can pick out. Again, I'd probably pick the ones I mentioned in the first kit. Unless you're not a big coloring fan or don't plan on coloring, then you could always pick out something else. I would always recommend some of the great sets are ones that include both greetings and images, because then it's like an all-in-one stamp set. You have both your image for your card and then also a greeting to put on there. And so that's always sort of like an all-in-one versus getting just one with images or just one with greetings. So you can always pick out your favorites. Let me know in the comments below what 2 free stamp sets you would pick out, or what you would pick out for your $125 for your starter kit. Of course, I will leave a link down below if you're super, super excited and wish to join Stampin' Up and get that amazing discount and have fun. You can always join Laura's Fabulous Friends stamping team. Of course, there's no obligations whenever you sign up except for to have fun and to enjoy the discount. So that's the other super fabulous bonus. This is Stampin' Up's 30-year anniversary, so this is going to be a big year for Stampin' Up demonstrators and customers all around. They have a lot of exciting stuff planned, and of course, a company who's been around for 30 years is nice and solid, so it's great to know that you're joining a company that is very secure and everything too. I've been stamping for, is it 13 or 14 years in April? I think it's 14. Time flies when you're having fun, let me tell you. And I have enjoyed every minute of it. So if you have any questions, definitely reach out to me. Either leave me a comment down below, or you can always reach out to me personally. I'd be more than happy to answer any of those questions for you. And then, of course, like I said, I'll leave a link down below if you wish to join and get your starter kit. So I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. You can also check out some of my other stuff on my blog, laurastamppad.com. I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.